Hi guys, and welcome back on the Hands on Time. So the topic of today is about both of these watches, the Loreo Rolex Submariner Homage. So Loreo, we'll take the green one, the oak version. Okay, so Loreo is a brand that is coming to us from China. What I noticed is that you can pretty much write Rolex with the Loreo name, So I guess that what they were doing actually was only Rolex Submariner homages, and they are doing it pretty well with this model. This particular model is wonderful. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the brand, because I don't have any other information about them. The cost, how much did I pay for this beautiful watch? 56 quid, okay, 55 point something euros here in Paris, okay, on AliExpress, delivered. So yeah, pretty much pretty affordable watch for a beautiful watch like this. 56 quid, nothing. The specs. So what is it about, what are the specs of this watch? Let's find out. I'm gonna take my instrument, bear with me, always hard to do it. Boom. So they are saying that it's 40, and I have, if I manage to do it, because it's hard with the dents, yeah, as you can see it's true, 40. Okay, so what about the thickness? So that was for the case size. The thickness of the watch is actually 1270. Okay, so the thickness, wonderful. That means it will stand pretty nice on the wrist. It's 20 for the band size. Okay, I checked, it is 20. So what else can I say? For $56 or euros, you will be able to purchase a watch with a sapphire. So the crystal is actual sapphire, okay? It's real sapphire. And I think that this is the only watch on the market, the only Rolex Submariner Homage that is giving you sapphire crystal for this price, okay? So you have a Cyclops, you have the Mercedes hand style as well, okay? If I, trying for you, you see, superlative chronometer officially certified, they have the right text, not like the TVs, and 200 meters of water resistance. That means you can actually swim with this watch, okay? You can swim with this watch. Wonderful. So the bezel, unidirectional, 90 clicks bezel, pretty accurate, no backplay at all. Okay, many people are saying, I have some backplay. Me, I purchased them from the Loreo official store, and I have no backplay. No, none on this one, and nothing on the others, on the other as well. So no backplay for me. The crown, screwed down crown with the Loreo, you see, sign here. Okay, it's signed. What else can I say? Here you have the beautiful ST16 from Seagull that is inside. Okay, wonderful, pretty accurate movement from Seagull. The ST16, really nice. And I think that these are hollow end links. Okay, no solid end links for 56, don't drink. What else? Stainless steel, everything in the case, everything is stainless steel. Chromed in the middle, brushed on the side, that's the job. Okay, push pin type of clasp. As you can see, boom. You push it back, signed with the Loreo sign here, name, brand. So yeah, I think that that's pretty much it for the specs. 40 hours. Okay, the movement once charged goes for full 40 hours. I always forget the log to lug, so I'm gonna do it this time. Lug to lug width is something like 45, as you can see, yeah, 44.98. Okay, so the specs are really close, really close to the Rolex. The good and the bad. So what's good, what's bad about this watch? Well, let me tell you that there is only good things to say about this watch. 200 meters, you can swim with it, it's beautiful, it's really close to the Rolex Submariner Homage, stands beautifully on the wrist, costs nothing. for what you're getting. It costs really nothing. Has a wonderful movement inside. Let me show you that one that differs a little bit from the other one. Okay, it's just a different batch, but it's the same movement. The ST16 from Seagull. Seagull is a provider for all the Swiss markets. Okay, you know about Seagull. They brought back Venus, the brand Venus from Switzerland. Brought back the tools and took them to China, and actually are making these wonderful movements, and they are selling these movements nowadays, today at 2021, to the Swiss market, even today. Okay, so it's a really reliable movement here. So this is for the good things, because there's only good things about this watch. The only bad thing I would say would be this part here, that is looking like a little bit industrial, not finished, you know. But that's absolutely it. Apart from this, you know, a problem that you have also on the Orient watches, or even Seiko, you know, this watch is perfect for me. How do I wear those watches? So this is for me, okay? For me, these watches, the green one, the Hulk version of it, I would wear with an army type of outfit, or brown outfit, okay? Brown or green, and nothing else. That's how I do it, okay? And I'm just telling you what I do. But this one goes with everything. Obviously, it's black. But I would even wear this watch with a suit, guys. If you want to have the, you know, the Sean Connery style in James Bond, well, this is it. For nothing, you know, for 56 euros, you would have like a James Bond type of feeling with a suit. I'm not wearing it because of James Bond. I don't care about James Bond, but it's that classy, you know. You can put it with a suit, and that would go with it. Okay, so don't be afraid to put this watch with a suit. You know, it has a sporty feeling, and it's classy enough to wear it with a suit. So yeah, that's how I do. That's how I do it. So, how is it on the wrist? I was talking. Now you can see. Beautiful. You see the thickness of this watch. You see how it embraced my wrist. And the thickness, like, it really stands low. It's beautiful. And look in front on my wrist, 17 centimeter of circumference after the bone. Okay, that's how I wear them, after the bone. And look at that. Wonderful, isn't it? So that's it for the wrist shot. Let me show you this way. Yeah. Okay. Really looks like the Rolex Submariner, like the real one that I know. I had the opportunity to have one in hand, a real one, not a fake or a replica. I had the Sea Dweller, and I had the no date on my hands, and trust me, that one is as beautiful. Okay, so let's go for the Lume shot now. And there you go for the Lume shot. So you see the difference with the TVs. Evenly applied, has a good power, pretty nice. It's not the craziest I've seen so far, but it's not bad at all. As you can see, I'm trying to zoom for you. Yeah, evenly applied and beautiful. Nice lume on this watch. I think that will be it for the lume. Guys, let's take a moment. The interior. Okay, you have a wonderful sunburst. I don't know if you can see it, but there is this beautiful sunburst. Now you see it, I think. Okay, let's go back inside. The Cyclops, Mercedes hand style. The sides, the interior of the movement. Okay, Let's take the other one, the black one, that has some sort of glossy feeling, a glossy feeling about it. Okay, the brand here, the sides, the interior of the watch, the see-through case back here that differs a little bit with the ST16. So as you can see, beautiful. So what are my final thoughts about this watch? Well, they are going to be like pretty fast and rapid. Just go for it. Like a rocket, buy this watch. I'm not sponsored I mean, anyone is sponsoring me. I'm buying all these watches from my own money, and I'm telling you, like a rocket, just go on the Loreo official store. Don't make the mistake of buying it from another store, and buy the last batches of this watch. How do you know that you would get the last batches of this watch? Well, the box is supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be a white box. Okay, the ancient boxes were blue. Okay, so it comes in this box with this tool inside. They are giving you a tool and a card. So these are the last batches, okay, of this watch. So buy yourself the last batches of this watch and do yourself a treat, because it's wonderful. It's a wonderful watch. Okay, so subscribe, comment, like. If you want to buy me a coffee, you can. It helps. The link is in the description. And take care of you guys. Okay, see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.